It's Friday, December the 19th, and here are this week's Grantham Journal sports headlines. Former Nottinghamshire County Cricket Club captain Darren Bicknell has been appointed director of the newly formed Belvoir Castle Cricket Trust. The Trust's mission is to put cricket back at the heart of the rural community and will also involve introducing the traditional village sport to underprivileged children. Belvoir Cricket Club will also benefit from Darren's expertise next season, as the 41-year-old will be playing for the first team in the South Notts League. Grantham's ex-professional racing cyclist Rod Ellingworth has set himself a challenge of finding a British World Road Race champion as part of his new job within the sport's governing body. Rod set up and ran the Great Britain Olympic Academy Under-23 Endurance Squad and has now been promoted to be in charge of the seniors. British Cycling's performance director Dave Brailsford has said he believes Rod will become the most important man in professional cycling within the next 5 years. With Grantham Town's match at Kisgrove Athletic postponed on Saturday, it was left to the under-16s to fly the flag against Warwick at the Mears. The young Gingerbreads came back from 1 goal down with an equaliser from Midland Junior Premier League top scorer Billy Hurst. Ashley Marsh scored the winner with minutes remaining to take Grantham second in the league. For daily sports updates, visit www.granthamjournal.co.uk.